Hello everyone, welcome to Tony Talks. To all our beautiful subscribers, we say thank you so much for staying with us. And if you're new here, we are happy you find us. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit on that notification button so that you will be notified for more upcoming videos. In the comment section, please note the regretful comment. Thank you for watching. Till I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.
Have you ever seen where Joseph Aloba come out and say the legal team are not doing their job? So what is your own problem? Because I don't understand. To Mr. Aloba, the legal team is doing wonders. To you, they are not doing their job because they are doing what he wants them to do. Yes, you guys paid for it because of your bitterness. You paid for a lawyer you cannot speak to. You paid for a son that you don't have representative to speak to them. You cannot speak to them. You don't have access to that lawyer because of the bitterness you have on Wunmi. Even if Mr. Aloba bring Agbanipa, let me say it to you, even if Mr. Aloba bring Agbanipa, you guys will pay for it. Toba Muyon. See, Mr. Aloba, Toba Muyon wale ni pe ni yo, o ma ba wa pa Wunmi o. You will pay. Because all you want is to see Wunmi on the floor. You don't care about justice. Because Mr. Aloba has turned your brain against her. I am going to tell you how Mr. Aloba turned your brain against Wunmi. Number one, they said there's CCTV in the house. Wunmi did not release the CCTV. Wunmi broke the CCTV. That's number one. You guys believe the narrative. You started fighting Wunmi. CCTV here, Wunmi lo gbe. Forgotten, they are experts. They are people that know this CCTV, that know how to do all these things. There's no way you can break the CCTV. They will not. Just like you break my, if you put my phone and throw it in the bin, shall one provider only bring it out. The landlord said there's no CCTV in his house. The landlord said it. What else do you want? They newly got the house. Landlord is supposed to CCTV no le won yin CCTV wa nbe. Just because you want to change people's mind against her. Number two, you said death certificate Wunmi ko won fun death certificate ó tọ́jú ẹ̀. You went to the hospital. The hospital said they did not issue death certificate. You have used that against her too. Pé àwọn èèyàn kan why tó ṣe tọ́jú death certificate nígbà tí ó jẹ́ kí ó gbé bàbá ẹ̀ lọ sí ọmọ ẹ̀ lọ sí morgue, kò fẹ́ kó gbọ́kọ ẹ̀ lọ sí morgue. Ó tọ́jú death certificate. Kí ló tó fún bàbá ọkọ ẹ̀ ní death certificate? Some people are like that. They're going against her because of the death certificate. Not knowing that she did not have it. I keep telling you from the start that she did not have it. Now, the Baba legal team now went to the hospital. They told them that they did not issue death certificate. Issue. Doctor's report was later issued to his lawyer. Then maybe the police have access to that. I don't know. Àwọn nǹkan tẹ́ fi ń change mind àwọn èèyàn láti máa bully ọmọbìnrin yìí ni mo ń sọ yìí. Nígbà tí wọ́n wá lọ find out níbẹ̀, tí wọ́n sọ fún wọn pé wọ́n ní death certificate. Kí ló tẹ́ bọ́ síta sọ pé ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi mọ̀ pé death certificate wọn issue ẹ o. Àwọn police kí ló pè àwọn hospital wọ́n láwọn issue ẹ o. You cannot say that because àwọn nǹkan tẹ́ fẹ́ kàn máa fi bú ìyàwó ọmọ yín òun lẹ kó jáde. Number 3. Nígbà yẹn àwọn èèyàn bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní pariwo, ó ga o, ọmọ èèyàn kú, ẹ pé bàbá ẹ̀, ọmọ èèyàn kú, ó gbé síta fún yín nígbà tọmọ òun kú pé wọ́n pè òun. Pé spirit, Holy Spirit ló sọ pé kí n máa lọ síbẹ̀ nígbà tí mo débẹ̀ ń bá bọ́ ọmọ mi nílẹ̀lẹ̀ tó ti kú. Why lies? Why lying to people? Just because you want people to come and go against your wife, your daughter-in-law. Kò sẹ́ni tó máa gbọ́ lóòótọ́ pé ọmọ yẹn kú, báwo ni bọ̀bọ̀ ṣe kú tí wọ́n tẹ̀ wá pé màmá yẹn rárá. Ìyá ẹ̀ ló pè mí. Gbàtà tí fẹ́ dìbì kan wọ́n ní ká padà. Ọkàn kan ló kàn sọ fún mi, Holy Spirit ló kàn sọ mi pé kí n máa lọ síbẹ̀. Why? not knowing pé èèyàn bí mẹ́ta ló ti pè. Prime Boy ló ń pè. Excuse me. Prime Boy ló ń pè. Blessing ti pè yín. Darosha ló ń pè. Nígbà tí Darosha rí yín face to face, ó béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín pé ṣé òun ò pè yín. Báyìí ni first person tó ń kọ́kọ́ pè òun ò pa àǹtí òun ò pè ya Mohbad. Ìgbà tó ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní pè tẹ́ wá dáhùn mọ́ lòun ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wá pè ya Mohbad. You could not talk. Just because àwọn Darosha ò wá síta, gbogbo àwọn èèyàn tó wà níbẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ yẹn ò bọ́ síta wá dìbọn kì í. Ẹ wá ń sọ̀rọ̀ balabalabalabalabala. Ẹ ti gbàgbé àwọn tó mọ̀ gbọ́. Why do you think Mohbad's friends stay with Wunmi? Stand with Wunmi. Why? How? Ẹ ronú lórí ara yín náà pé àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ Mohbad kí ló tí wọ́n stand pẹ̀lú Wunmi. Ṣáwọn náà lọ pa Mohbad ni. Èyí ó ṣe nǹkan tí ó right. Torí irọ́ àwọn tí wọ́n support ẹ yẹn, tí wọ́n support Wunmi yẹn, gbogbo wọn rí pé irọ́ ló ń pa fún yín because wọ́n mọ̀ tọ́. But you guys could not find out. Number 3, why did you think Adura will stand? Ẹni yóò pa ẹ̀gbọ́n. Do you think she is so dumb? He would love Wunmi more than his brother. Do you think so? Just sit down and ask yourself, pé ṣé fi pin kankan wà? Ṣé Wunmi jẹ́ Dangote ní abúlé lo plane ni? Ṣé ó ní plane ní ó ní jet ni? Tẹ́ máa sọ pé ó fẹ́ fún lówó, owó ló fẹ́ fàdúrà tí ó dẹ̀ máa fi lose ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀ tó dẹ̀ máa protect ìyàwó ẹ̀gbọ́n yẹn. Ṣé ẹ lè jókòó kẹrù fúnra yín ni? Because you just want people to lie on her. But when they're not lying, you start ẹ̀bẹ̀ sí ní sọ pé wọ́n ṣe dáadáa. Irọ́ tẹ́ ń wá káwọn èèyàn pamọ́ yìí, òun náà lẹ ń wá kí autopsy pamọ́. Because you want the whole world to turn against her. The same thing you want the whole autopsy. Kó parọ́ mọ́. The way you're turning a lot of people against her, lying against this young lady, young widow. The same thing you want the medical to lie on her. Ẹ fẹ́ kí autopsy go against her. Ẹ ti gbàgbé pé autopsy ò kì í ṣèyàn. Nígbà tẹ́ ṣe autopsy yẹn, tó bá sọ pé Wunmi ló máa gún lọ́bẹ, gbogbo yín máa accept rẹ̀ tó lọ ṣe l'Amẹ́ríkà yẹn. You will not go against it. The only justice you guys are looking for is this girl to go down. Have you forgotten she's a widow? Have you forgotten she's going through a lot? She lost her husband. That's number 1. And she lost her baby father. That's number 2. She lost her husband. Tó bá ti bímọ rárá, she lost her husband. But the number 2, she lost her baby father. Bàbá ọmọ ẹ̀. Ó lùsì ọkọ, ó lùsì bàbá ọmọ. Can't you think? Kí ló dé tẹ́ kí n think dada? You don't start saying, Baba lost his son. What do you think? Do you think there's a relationship between Baba and Mohbad? Baba was never a good father. I am not their family. But I think I know what I am saying. If we have about 8 people in this case, if you could be able to talk to 7 people and all of them are saying the same thing, won't you put 1 + 1 together and be able to get your answer? Tell me, do you have to be their family member? The police that are going to do the investigation on this case, are they their family member? No. What's your family member? Investigation, they will investigate. They will put everything together and bring out something. So you now think gbogbo àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ Mohbad yẹn ni Wunmi ló rà pa? How do you think like that? Is she not the same Wunmi you said Bella ló gbalé fún? So Bella gbalé fún, Bella náà tún máa cover ẹ̀. Àbí? Àwọn àyàn tó gbalé fún, àwọn náà tún cover ẹ̀. Gbogbo àwọn tó kù tó fún ní kọ́bọ̀, àwọn náà tún cover ẹ̀. Òun ló kúkú ń bọ́ wọn. Tí ó bá jẹ́ pé òun ló ra gbogbo àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ ọkọ ẹ̀ yẹn náà, báwo ló tún ṣe wá ń gbalé fún tó bá pé bẹ́ẹ̀ lówó yẹn wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀? Because I don't get you. And Baba Mohbad will come out and say, oh, Mohbad, Oremini is my best friend, is my best friend, is my best friend. And you don't even know. We are ilé, one bere pe ilé tó ní ṣẹ́yìn lónìí ene emo. You don't know. We only ilé. How do you have a best friend you don't know anything about? Because you seem not to know anything about Mohbad. If people are not telling you the truth, you seem not to know anything about him. You are crying, he got a land. How come? If you are in his life, if you were in his life, how come Yahweh any access to Mohbad toto yan you were not there? How come ti Yahweh fi ń lògùn fún and you call yourself a pastor tó e de lè ká ògùn yẹn kó lójú ẹ? Listen to what you're saying. They ask you, any ilé tó ń gbé, ẹni pé ọmọ yín ló rà, ó lóhun nílé lọ nǹkan. You are not even sure. How close are you to this man when he was alive? What do you know about him? Nothing. Because you failed him. One Nokiri, you couldn't do anything to save him. One Donkiri, kagbope yen ò pa, ṣùgbọ́n ni Nokiri is part of it. Because underlying sickness tó ní, ó pẹ̀lú àwọn nǹkan tó cause wàhálà. Tí wọ́n bá kí Nokiri, bóyá kò ní hypertension tó ní ọmọdún mélòó tó ti ní hypertension. Àwọn tó Nokiri yẹn náà tí wọ́n cause hypertension, wọ́n cause ní a lot lọ́mọdé. Àbí? But wọ́n dẹ̀ béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín pé àwọn tó Nokiri ẹ̀dọ́gbọ́n ló ń kọ́. Ẹni wọ́n kọ́ lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ni. Ẹni wọ́n kọ́ lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ni wọ́n fà jùlọ wọn ni. And in some of the videos, níbi tí wọ́n ti nà Mohbad, you were there, you were present. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ lè bọ́ṣọ́ lẹ́kẹjà. You that were standing where they were beating your son in your presence. Ní ojú yín tí gbogbo ẹ̀jẹ̀ dẹ̀ ń yọ lára ẹ̀. And you were standing, you couldn't talk. Because of the money. Táwọn Naira Marley fún yín. All you want is money. You don't even care about your son. In some of the videos, táwọn tó tẹ̀lé yín ò bá rí, ask question, let us give you videos. It was a video. Mohbad was crying, wanting to léṣe, gbogbo ara ẹ̀ bó. You were standing. Lè bọ́ṣọ sílẹ̀ kẹ́ sọ pé ọmọ mi, kẹ́ bọ́ṣọ sílẹ̀ kẹ́ jà kí gbogbo ayé rí pé ẹ̀ ń jà. You did not do anything. So you that could not fight when your son was alive, when your son was bullied, and you were present in some of the videos, how come you want to find justice for him when he's no more? How come? How come? You were not able to fight when he was alive. Even when even when you were being told that omologo na omode, o ma mi gbogbo ayé. Èyàn kan wá mú omologo, ó dẹ̀ nà lójú ẹ̀, ẹ̀jẹ̀ ń yọ lára ẹ̀. Ó ń ké mi ìfẹ́ kú ó dẹ̀ lanu lebe, ó dẹ̀ wò. Just because you don't want to offend Naira Marley. You never, every time you always protect Naira Marley. You don't want to talk about them because of the money. Because you are on their payroll. One no money kakakiri. Instead, you went there to beg. Kini kan. Le bọ́ṣọ́ lẹ̀ kẹjà. Ṣùgbọ́n le bọ́ṣọ́ lẹ̀ tí wùn mí. Àbí? Le bọ́ṣọ́ lẹ̀ nígbà yẹn. Báwo lẹni náà bá ṣe jẹ́? Kẹ́ má ro oúnjẹ jẹ. Èèyàn kan mú ọmọ tó sọ fún yín pé ọmọ ológo tó jẹ́ pé òun ni breadwinner family tó ń bọ́ gbogbo yín. A máa nà pa ń ṣojú yín. Ẹ lanu lẹ̀ ńbẹ̀ ń wò. Wọ́n tún wá béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín lẹ́yìn tọ́mọ yẹn kú. Ẹ tún sọ pé ó ń kọ́ lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ni. Ẹ rí nǹkan tó ṣe tó wrong. So báwo lẹ ṣe lè sọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ ṣe lè gbaṣọ́ lẹ̀ fún Wùnmí? Kí lẹ fi ń bá Wùnmí jà? Kí ni reason? Okay, ọmọ tó wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ lọ́mọ àlè ni a ti gbọ́. Kí wá ló fi kàn yín? Kí lẹ tẹ́ bọ́ṣọ́ lẹ̀? Ṣọ́mọ àlè yẹn lẹ fẹ́? Kí ló kàn yín tó fi jọ́mọ àlè? Kí ló wá fi kàn yín gangan? Ó bímọ àlè, ó dẹ̀ fẹ́ tọ́mọ àlè fúnra rẹ̀. Kò ní kẹ́ mówó epo wá, kò ní kẹ́ mówó yọ̀ wá. Kí wá ní problem títí yín tẹ́ fi bọ́ṣọ́ lẹ̀, tẹ́ fi bọ́ṣọ́ jálẹ̀? Because I don't know. Àbí ó wá dìbọn kẹ̀ fún yín pé kò ṣọmọ àlè. Ṣó ti wá bá yín sọ pé àkó ṣọmọ àlè o. Ẹ ti ná ọmọ àlè ni. Ẹ sanwó ilé ẹ, ẹ sanwó oúnjẹ, ẹ mọ bí tó ń gbé. Ó ti gbọ́ ọmọ àlè ẹ lọ síbi tó hùn. Bóyá bẹ́ẹ̀ bridge lòun àtọmọ àlè ẹ ń sùn sí. De kí ló wá fi kàn yín tẹ́ ń sunkún kiri. Ṣógbọ́n mo àlè yẹn wá ká yín mọ́lé ni àbí oníkẹ́ sún kẹ́ ó ń disturb yín nínú yàrá yín tẹ́ ń sùn sí. Tó bá jẹ́ ogún. Gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ fi sọ pé mo àlè lọ́mọ yín dé yóò jù pé tí n bá gbógun tì. Ṣùgbọ́n nǹkan tó yà mí lẹ́nu jù ni pé àwọn alákọ̀wé, àwọn tó kàwé, tó wà well read, they joined you. You were able to manipulate their brain to fight for that DNA. You were able to manipulate their brain to fight for what is not there. You were able to manipulate. I can't understand. Education is not common sense. Speaking English go make sense. Go make sense. Make it make sense. How can a carpenter, how can he manipulate your brain to the extent that you left what you're fighting for, the real cause, for rubbish? You left the real cause for family matter. What is your problem with your family matter? And most of you were like, oh, she was not married. She was not married legally. What do you mean by she was not? She was married legally in Nigeria system. That is legal. You can say she was not married under the heart, yes. But how many of you ni baba yin to marry mama yin under the heart? How many of you parents got married under the heart? Tell me. Most of the thing that common, that is traditional marriage, customary marriage. That is the common thing. Even among the Muslims up to today. Among the Muslims up to today is customary marriage. The educated one in Nigeria. Customary marriage. So how come you're talking as if you're truly looking for justice, how do you get yourself being manipulated to be talking about this DNA of a thing? Are you even thinking in your mind that Liam, as you're looking at that Liam, it's not Mohbad's son? Liam is Mohbad's son 150%. But we have to show you how to respect women. The reason why we are insisting on no DNA is to let you learn how to talk to women respectfully. Because you have been so rude. As a man, you disrespected this woman and you bullied her son. She's not going to give up. She's not going to give you what you want. No. You can't talk to people like that and you want to get something from them. It is not going to work like that. No. So in your brain, you think, oh, why is she running away from DNA? Why is she running away from DNA? So you think, you look at that Liam, put emotion aside, and you think that boy is not Mohbad's son. Really? She's not running away from DNA. Tomba fi dada Wunmi àti ṣe DNA yẹn. Tomba fi dada Wunmi àti ṣe DNA because she's sure 180%. But talking to her in that manner, we are not going to give it to you. I'm telling you. We don't care. We'll get to Supreme Court on this DNA. Get it here. We will get to Supreme Court. Lórí ọ̀rọ̀ DNA. We want to see what you can do to enforce it. So you sit down there. Kò lè bully yan, kò gba nǹkan tó fẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Kò lè work. Learn how to respect people. You are too disrespectful, Mr. Aloba. Highly disrespectful. When you came out to do the same to African TV. How come everybody were able to see that? How come? How come your fans are not happy with that? That is who you are. If nobody can correct him, nobody can correct you, Mr. Loba. Pé, Baba, justice là ń wá. Ẹ lè máa bú ọmọ oṣù márùn-ún, ẹ lè máa bú ọmọ ọdún kan báyìí. Ọmọ yẹn ò kẹ́tàn. Everybody, when you were saying ọmọ yẹn ò kẹ́tàn, all your fans were laughing. Mo ket mi kẹ́tàn, ọmọ yẹn kẹ́tàn, wọ́n ló kẹ́tàn. They were laughing. I was on Papa Riano show. It was even saying, Baba is very funny. Baba have bad mouth. But now he gave it to African TV. Baba doesn't have bad mouth again. What goes around comes around. So how will somebody say he's looking for justice for Mohbad and is abusing, bullying the Mohbad son? Because as far as I'm concerned, up to today, he's Mohbad's son. He is Mohbad's son until it's proven otherwise. So how could you stand that? Even if you don't know Wunmi, how could you stand a man that coming out to abuse, bullying a child, bullying a woman, and you guys are happy? Omo yen won do kiri. How can a man say one do kiri ni? One man do kiri ni. One do. How can you say that? How can somebody say that to you? Even your dad. Can you take that from your own father? Can your father tell you as a woman that won't do a kiri ni public? Ki ma be ma soro enter. But you guys were laughing. You were enjoying it. The same thing he did to Wunmi now. He's now doing it to you guys. You were not happy. Look at the way you guys reacted to African TV, what he did to African TV, what he said to African TV. But if he said that to Wunmi, you guys will not say, Baba, you're too big for this. You're too old for this. This girl is young. She's a widow, for God's sake. Either Liam is Mohbad's son or not. Wunmi still remain the wife of Mohbad. How can you be talking to your daughter-in-law this way? You were not able to correct him. You were laughing. You were laughing. You were enjoying it. Because Wunmi is not replying. Wunmi is not saying anything. It's now facing you guys to come and fight you. You are not happy with that. Tí o bá ti ṣe oni tí ara ilé ẹni bá ń jẹ kòkòrò. Tí a bá sọ fún kurukere ò ní jẹ́ ká sùn. Tí o bá ṣe nǹkan tí ò dá, tó bá sọ fún, ó ń bọ̀ wá ṣe fún ẹ. Ó ń bọ̀ wá ṣe fún ẹ. I support Wunmi 100%. And I don't support Wunmi to come out and abuse láti wá máa bú yín, láti wá ṣe show fún yín. No. Do you think I am going to allow Wunmi to come and turn on the camera? Come on, Mr. Loba, aye you need that. I can't support her to do that. Because if I allow her to do that, she will come and do the same thing to me. For the fact that she yama yin, emi o le ti ri Wunmi kó wá sọ̀rọ̀ yin. Eléyìí tó sọ pé tí kò bá ṣọkọ mi orí phone, that was a private conversation. It's not a public thing. Mr. Loba brought it to public because he want the public to know about it, and that is fine. So do you think I am going to say, Wunmi o, ti mu baba ọkọ eye o, kó wá kó fún lọ́la o? No, I won't do that. So baba so the platform here, my entity short here. Enough. Because I don't want her to go that route. I don't want it. Gbogbo ni man so ma ṣe update fún baba o, ma ṣe kíní kan, is still baba ọkọ ẹ o. So you think I would just allow him to come and me shasha now? I would just allow him to come and say, Mr. Loba, call me olórí burúkú ni ẹ́, and he would do that. I would be like, mama clap fún. So just to my face me, what will I say? I won't do that. So the same thing, tí Josie ń ṣe. Kí baba 56 years kó máa bú ọmọ oṣù kan, ọmọ oṣù márùn, kó máa ṣépè fún, kó máa bú lẹ́nu, kó máa bú lé bú ara. Ọmọ tí ó ti pọ̀dọ̀, ọmọ tí ó ti ẹ̀gbọ́n nǹkan tó ń sọ. kó máa bú yẹn lè bú ara ọmọ tí bó gbé poison sílẹ̀ bó gbé fọ́mọ yẹn àgbà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ because kò mọ nǹkan tó ń sọ. He doesn't even know what you're saying. He doesn't even know who you are. Wàá máa bú ìyàwó ọmọ ẹ̀, ìyàwó Mohbad ni o, ọmọ tẹ́ lọ tọrọ, tẹ́ gbé ṣu, tẹ́ gbọ́kà, tẹ́ gbé pupa, tẹ́ gbé gbogbo ẹ̀ lọ tọrọ, tẹ́ sọ dáórì. Ìwọ àgbàlagbà, wàá pósítà wàá máa bú ìyàwó ọmọ ẹ̀. Ṣé bó ṣe ń tolé nìyẹn? Wàá máa bú lè bú, wọ́n ń bá sùn kiri. Wọ́n ń do kiri, bó tẹ̀yìn má sọ ni, wọ́n ń do kiri. Gbà tó yá o tó wá bú bàbá ẹ̀ yọkùn. Gbà tí bàbá ẹ̀ yọkùn báyìí, omi níkun ní bàbá ẹ̀ mú gúdà, ó tún sọ. Bàbá ẹ̀ ò dé lọ, bàbá ẹ̀ gbọ́. You think bàbá ẹ̀ ò gbọ́? So do you think bàbá Wunmi ò kí ń gbọ́ nǹkan tó ń sọ? Wọ́n gbọ́ nǹkan tó ń sọ. Or do you think so? I know. Mo mọ̀ pé ń gbọ́. Àwa bọ́sítà wá ní pé kí ló tí bàbá ẹ̀ ò bọ́ta wá sọ̀rọ̀? Kí ló tí yà? Ṣé ló pé gbogbo yan ní wèrè aláìní tìjú ni? Ọmọ Ìjẹ̀bú ni wọ́n. Ọmọ Ìjẹ̀bú ni bàbá Wunmi, wọn lè bọ́ta wá sọ̀rọ̀. Ọmọ Ìjẹ̀bú ni ìyá Wunmi. Ìjẹ̀bú ò ń ṣe òṣì. Ìjẹ̀bú ò ń ṣe òṣì. Ọmọ Ìjẹ̀bú ni wọ́n. They can't come out to speak rubbish. They can't come out to speak rubbish out of their mouth. Ọmọ Ìjẹ̀bú ò ń ṣe òṣì. Ọmọ Ìjẹ̀bú ní tìjú. Gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ sọ ló ń gbọ́. Gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ sọ. I speak with him. Gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ sọ ló ń gbọ́. So you expect him kó bọ́ síta kó máa bẹ́ ebú ebú kó máa bú ẹ. Mohbad was not like that to them. They don't do that. They won't. Kó bọ́ síta àwọn Ìjẹ̀bú kí ló fẹ́ sọ fáwọn èèyàn? Kó máa bú ebú, kó máa bú bàbá láì ní tìjú, tó ní tìjú, tó ti sọ tìjú nù. Èèyàn tí ò ní aṣọ lórí ìkọ́. Kó máa bú ebú. Kí ló fẹ́ sọ fáwọn ará àdúgbò? Kí ló fẹ́ sọ fáwọn èèyàn tó ń gbọ́ wọn? Kí ló fẹ́ sọ fáwọn ẹgbẹ́ club tó wà? Kí ló fẹ́ sọ fáwọn ẹgbẹ́ tó ń ṣe? Ẹ̀dẹ̀ wá ní pé wọ́n wá dáhùn wọn wá sá bàbá ò ṣe bọ́ta wá sọ̀rọ̀. Ṣé public yìí orí public domain àbí social media ó jẹ́ family house wọn ni tó fẹ́ máa wá sọ̀rọ̀. Irú ọ̀rọ̀ wo ló wà lódùn lẹ́nu wọn tó fẹ́ máa wá sọ. Àwọn fúnra ara wọn bàbá Wunmi àti ìyá Wunmi wọ́n respect Mohbad ju ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bí wọn lọ. Yes. Because when they spoke about Mohbad to me, èmi gan fọ́. I'm telling you. Wọ́n respect Mohbad pé wọ́n no kò gbọ́dọ̀ àwọn gbọ́dọ̀ ṣerú ẹ̀. You that have tẹ́ bí ọmọ ń ṣòṣì lórí social media. Bàbá Wunmi ṣe bọ́ta, ẹ̀hún ṣe bóun ló ń gbowó, èpè ló máa pa, òun ló ń bọ ọmọ mi náwó. Ṣé ikú nígbà tí bàbá tó ń bá wọn náwó, tó ń bá Mohbad náwó ni? Ṣé wọ́n jẹ́ Mohbad lówó ni? Ṣé ó ti di àrùn kí ọkọ ọmọ èèyàn fúnyàn lówó? Èmi náà ọkọ ọmọ mi báyìí ṣé ọkọ mi sì tó bá fún dáàdì mi lówó ó ti di ọmọ bí mo ṣe wà yìí sìn ọkọ mi kó send owó oṣù tọkọ mi máa ń fún ìyá mi owó oṣù tí ń rè o tó máa fún wọn pé gba owó oúnjẹ yín rè so ó ti di problem tó wá sọ pé òun ló náwó ẹ̀ ṣé Mohbad ní mental problem gbà tán bá náwó ni nǹkan tó fẹ́ nìyẹn náà. Ní ìyá tó sọ pé ọmọ yẹn wọ́n ní Mohbad báyìí ó máa fara nù wọ́n ní ó máa fara nù àwọn ni nígbà tẹ́ yóò ṣe bá ṣe ṣe bá ṣe ó rí ìyá ìyàwó ẹ̀ bí màmá ẹ̀ ó rí ìyá ìyàwó ẹ̀ bí bàbá ẹ̀ wọ́n ló máa lọ́mọ àwọn ni bí olóńgbò ẹ wá ní kan bọ́ta kan máa respect ẹ̀ kan bọ́ta kan máa wá sọ jargons àwọn èèyàn sọ fún yín pé nígbà tẹ́ lọ sí TVC lady tó borí yẹn kò sọ fún yín pé bàbá wọn ríyàn bá yín sọ tọrọ ilé ló yẹ kẹ́ wà. Ilé ló yẹ kẹ́ wà òṣìṣẹ́ ìṣe lórí social media yìí it is not done anywhere in the world baba Timothy dan public ẹ wá bọ́ta àdàbí ẹbí wọn ni mo bèrè fún plan center ọmọ does it make sense ìtìjú ẹ ti gbé kúrò. Téèyàn bá ti wà tó bá ti lọ́kọ̀jú wà kò kí ní tìjú. Ẹni tó bá ti wà tó bá ti greedy, wọ́n máa sọ ìtìjú nù. All you think about is the money you're going to use Mohbad for. The money you're going to use Mohbad to get. The property you're going to get after Mohbad. Everything you're going to be after Mohbad. Everything after Mohbad is buried. What you're going to be. What you're going to be. Ìfẹ́ tí mo fẹ́ ní, èèyàn tí mo fẹ́ dì. You don't care. You don't care. And it is very sad, very unfortunate. These educated people, they allow themselves to be used by you. That is why the machine so 19 if you can manipulate educated people, I don't get it. The way you manipulated their brain and you put them under you now call them my fans. Really? How can a carpenter have fans? Educated, well-read people. You put them under, you calling them their fans. And they're typing. And logo won type because you're not doing it ordinarily. You are doing it with something else. You became somebody that have fun. You that did not have a TikTok account. You did not even know anything about TikTok. You now became the king of TikTok after the demise of your son. You now make it clear to everybody that the best thing that's ever happened to you is the pie of that boy. And I keep saying it. The best thing that's ever happened to you, Mr. Loba, is because that iku to moye ku eroku so yin do lowo so yin do lola. Bonike momo mi wa lola, you will do it. Because people make you whatever you have never been before. They make you see yourself in the palace. They make you see yourself on top of everybody. Look at the way you talk down on African TV because they cost everything. Wọ́n gba yín lẹ́yìn, àwọn lè máa fi gèjè. Àwọn ló gba yín lẹ́yìn o, àwọn náà lè ṣe máa fi gèjè. Because anybody that supports evil, the evil will come back to them. When you were doing it, they don't need to like Wunmi. They need to see and open their eyes to see what you're doing is totally wrong. It is never done anywhere. I have never seen a father that doing this, a father that lost his son doing this on social media. It is uncalled for. If you don't have anybody to tell you the truth, I am telling you the truth. This is from the place of love. Because I have my own Ebi. Despite the fact that my age is closer to your age, because at the end of the day, you are still a father-in-law you are still a grandfather to Liam, my grandson. So I still give you that respect. Because nǹkan tó bá jẹ́ tèèyàn, wọn kì í gbà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. But why did you do that? Lying every day just to nail that girl. But the lady beat you hands down because she never debunked, reciprocate to whatever you're doing on social media. Either lies or truth. That is how to fight the fight. That is how to fight the bully. Now you don't have anybody to fight again. You now have to face them. You need to face them. Because you are not a good person. You are your cooking for wasile. I laugh when I hear some people like Adenike like Baba, ó yẹ kẹ́ kó wá pọ̀, ó yẹ kẹ́ kó wá pọ̀. Ṣé ti rí bàbá kó kó àwọn ọmọ tí ẹ pọ̀ tó fi máa wá kẹ́yìn pọ̀? How can somebody tell you I am doing this? I raise the Baba that single-handedly raised the children. Baba that single-handedly raised his children. Baba, he single-handedly raised his children like you guys claim. How come those children single-handedly raised are against him today for what he's looking for? Okay, Wunmi, ó ti sanwó fún àdúrà. Ó jọ pa àdúrà, ó jọ pa Mohbad ni. Ṣé blessing náà tó wà ńbẹ̀ nígbà tí wọ́n tó pa Mohbad. Where is Blessing in this justice for Mohbad? Níbo lọkọ Blessing wà? And everything you're doing on social media is really affecting her home. It doesn't make sense. You don't respect her. Everyone. Àwọn kan dẹ̀ ló fẹ́. If it's what you're doing to Wunmi right now, if those people now start doing the same thing to Blessing, how will you feel? Whatever you're doing to Wunmi, some people in that house, for Blessing not to support you, some people in her family, in her husband's family too, they don't like what you're doing. Abi? For everything you're doing to Wunmi, àwọn kan wà nínú ẹbí Blessing náà, they don't like what you're doing. And at the end of the day, if they do the same to Blessing, how will you feel? Because whatever you're doing right now will be done back to Blessing. Yet assured you. That means you don't care about her happiness. Àwọn ọmọ tá bí à ń fi àwọn kókó sílẹ̀ báwọn ọ̀rẹ́ wa, àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ àwọn ọmọ wa ò gbọ́dọ̀ bá wa ní dìradàradà. Gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ ń ṣe fún Wunmi yìí, ẹ ti gbàgbé pé gbogbo is coming back to Blessing nílé ọkọ tiẹ̀ náà. Ẹ ti gbàgbé pé stranger làwọn ọkọ tiẹ̀ náà tó fẹ́, wọn ṣe family yìí. If you are a good father, if you don't think about Wunmi because she's a stranger to you, lójú títí ọmọ ọlọ́mọ ni, you don't think about Blessing tó wà nílé ọkọ. You did not think about Blessing. For her not to support what you're doing means she's not happy at all. If Blessing can send you a voice note, láti fi bú yín, you have done too much. And those people that are supporting you on social media, they don't like you. And the thing is, you don't even care if they like you or not. What you care about is the money they are contributing must not stop. Because you want to live a big life after Mohbad. You said something some times ago. You said, gbogbo nǹkan tí Mohbad kọ̀ láti ṣe fún mi, òun làwọn ará àta tí ń ṣe fún mi yìí. Is that? It's all about money, money, money. Gbogbo nǹkan tí Mohbad kọ̀ láti ṣe fún mi, òun làwọn ará àta tí ń ṣe fún mi. What were you expecting from Mohbad? It was just 26 years old, for God's sake. Àwọn 26 years old mi, wọ́n ṣì ń jẹun London màmá wọn ni. Wọ́n ṣì ń jẹun ní pọ́ọ̀tì bàbá wọn ni. Mohbad got nothing. It was just rising. You did not allow them. The same way that she bully Mohbad on fúnra yín. How come you're not close to Mohbad? When Mohbad's mom came back to his life, he was happy to have his mom back. He was happy. If you have been a good father, it won't happen. Tẹ́ bá jẹ́ good father ni, nígbà tó rí ìyá yẹn, ó sì máa rí pé màmá òun ṣẹ̀wọ̀n. But you never wanted them to come back together. But when Mama Mohbad came back fully to his life, he was happy to see his mother back. Because you were not there. How do you even look after children when you marry different women every day? Táwọn kan sọ pé the best father of the year. How could you be a best father of the year when you have many children you cannot even look after? Not only ya Mohbad nìkan lẹ gbọ́mọ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ o. Èyí tó tún bímọ mẹ́ta yẹn náà, you took their children too. Ẹ gbọ́mọ lọ́wọ́ yẹn náà. Because you're too arrogant. Very arrogant. You don't have respect for anybody. Any respect fún yàn kankan, àwọn míì sọ pé báwo lọkùnrin ṣe máa gbọ́mọ lọ́wọ́ ẹ rí bí Josi ṣe ń behave ni. Ẹjọ́ tó bá pé òun ló bímọ ọwọ́ Wunmi, ẹ rí pé kò ti nígbà. Tó bá pé òun ló bímọ ọwọ́ Wunmi, ẹ rò bí Wunmi ò ti ní gbọ́mọ yẹn lẹ̀. Nígbà tó bá fẹ́ ya lé ayé lẹ́nu ẹ̀. Tó bá pé òun ló bímọ ọwọ́ Wunmi yẹn, ṣé fi pé Wunmi ò ti ní gbélé àmù fún. Nígbà tó bá fẹ́ ba ayé ẹ̀jẹ̀. That is who he is. ó gbọ́mọ lọ́wọ́ ìyá Mohbad ó tún gbọ́mọ lọ́wọ́ kejì. So how come you're telling me pé ìyá Mohbad ló ní lọ́wọ́? How come? Ó máa ń lu obìnrin lánàá pa bó ṣe wà. Bàbá Mohbad is a woman beater. He is a woman beater. Tó bá máa nù ẹ́ yí lórí, wàá fọmọ ẹ̀ lẹ̀ wá sá lọ. He's a bully. Ọkàn wa jókòó tí wọ́n lè sòótọ́ fún yín. Ẹ̀rí bó ṣe máa sọ̀rọ̀ pẹ̀lú Wùnmí ni bóyá máa bá Wùnmí sọ̀rọ̀ bí kò rí kó nà ṣe léṣe. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé kó nà ṣe léṣe nínú Wùnmí ṣe máa ń bi. Lẹ́kùn ló lọ́wọ́ ọmọ ọwọ́ Wùnmí pẹ̀lú gbogbo búlì yẹn rò bí Wùnmí ó ti ní gbọ́mọ yẹn lẹ́fọn ni. Èèyàn máa báyọ̀ ṣe wàhálà bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Ẹ máa sọ pé bàbá Mohbad, bàbá Mr. Lọ́ba, ẹ̀yin ló yẹ Mrs. Adenike. Bitter soul. Bàbá Mohbad, ẹ̀yin ló yẹ kẹ́ kó wa pọ̀, ẹ̀yin ló yẹ ṣé bàbá yín sọnù ni. Tẹ́ wá bàbá Mohbad tó máa bàbá Mohbad tó scatter àwọn ọmọ títí ẹ̀ táwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ ò kí ń kí. Àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ ò kí ń kí. Ẹ̀yin ní kó wá sọ ẹ̀yin pọ̀. Wàhálà gbogbo ìjà tí gbogbo yín ń jà òun ló dálẹ̀. Wàláì gbogbo ìjà tí gbogbo yín ń jà ẹ ṣì máa gbọ́ òun ló ń dá gbogbo ẹ̀ lẹ̀. Gbogbo ìjà tí gbogbo yín ń jà bàbá Mohbad ló ń dálẹ̀. Ẹ bá fẹ́ kí analyze ẹ̀ fún mi lè analyze ẹ̀ fún. Ṣé ẹ ní pé látìgbà tí ilé tó ń pè rẹ̀ ní Daddy York àbí kíní kan yẹn àbí kí ló ń pè? Ṣé Daddy York ló ń lọ pè York Daddy? Ìgbà tó ti ń bá Josi sọ̀rọ̀ láyé yín ti bàjẹ́. Wàláì tàláì Josi ló ń da gbogbo yín rú. Josi òun ló ń da gbogbo yín rú pátápátá òun ló nà kórè yín together. Ẹ ṣì máa mọ̀ o. Ẹ ṣì máa mọ̀. Gbogbo justice for Mohbad ní tẹ́ ń ṣe. Àtọ̀dọ̀ York àti ọ̀dọ̀ UK Bukky àti Benny gbogbo justice for Mohbad yẹn ti fọ́ lórí. Bàbá Mohbad ló fà. Ọ̀dọ̀ York ọ̀dọ̀ Bukky ọ̀dọ̀ Latisne àwọn mẹ́ta yẹn àwọn ló ń rán láti báyé àwọn tó kù jẹ́. Àwọn tó ń rán láti báyé àwọn tó kù jẹ́ nìyẹn. Tẹ́ bá dẹ̀ rí pé àwọn tó close mọ́ nínú gbogbo yín nìyẹn. Òun ló ń da orí everybody rú ètò tó máa sọ fẹ́lẹ́ yọ̀tọ̀ 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 bóyá ń ṣe láàrin àwọn ọmọ ènìyàn náà tó máa sọ fún Blessing ọ̀tọ̀ tó máa sọ fún ilé ọ̀tọ̀ tó máa sọ fún Wùnmí ọ̀tọ̀ tó máa sọ fún bóyá má ṣe nìyẹn. Àti Mohbad wà láyé náà wọ́n ti ní bó ṣe má tó bá rí tí ó bá jókòó tí Mohbad tó bá wà pẹ̀lú Mohbad báyìí tó bá rí nọ́mbà tó bá pe Mohbad ó ló máa lọ sọ fún Wùnmí pé girlfriend ti pọkọ ẹ̀ lọ bá má gbà fún bóyá ń ṣe nìyẹn. Yes. Ẹ ṣì máa mọ gbogbo ẹ ó kàn ti máa late ni. Ó wá ń gbogbo owó yín ó gba gbogbo owó yín jọ. Wọ́n ń lò nǹkan fún yín ni. Wọ́n ń lò oògùn fún gbogbo yín. Báwo ni ẹ ṣe máa lóun wá justice tó máa di pé owó ló concentrate mọ́ tó ń gbowó lọ́wọ́ yín. Ó ń gbowó lọ́tún lọ́sì ó kàn ń gbowó lọ́wọ́ gbogbo yín. Because ẹ lè rórí wọ́n ti gba làákàyè yín. Wọ́n ti gba làákàyè yín. Kí ló dẹ̀ fà? Torí ẹ fẹ́ bá Wùnmí jà. Téèyàn bá ti ní hatred nínú ààrẹ ogun máa mú ni. Tó bá ti ní hatred nínú ẹ̀ tó bá ń sàsí ẹ ó máa mú ẹ. Tó bá ń lògùn fún ẹ ó máa mú ẹ. Tó bá ń porí ẹ nbìkan á máa mú ẹ. Torí pé ìwọ fúnra rẹ̀ ò ń ṣèyàn gidi. Ìwọ fúnra rẹ̀ ò ń ṣèyàn gidi. Tó sì máa ta lẹ́nu yín tó máa kó fún Josi sì máa wà. Tó máa ta mọ́tò ẹ̀ tó máa kó fún Josi tó máa lọ báǹkì lọ yáwó tó máa kó fún Josi máa wà. Ẹ máa lọ gba lóòdù ẹ máa kó fún Josi. Because nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ rọwọ́ lè ẹ máa tọrọ jẹ kẹ́ tó fi justice for Mohbad lẹ̀. Because you guys are too evil. Bọ̀dá láti táyé wọn ti bàjẹ́. Bọ̀dá láti náà inú wọn wá ń dùn. The justice for Mohbad yìí. At least àwọn tí ẹ wẹ̀. Wọ́n wẹ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀mẹ́ta lójúmọ́ bá abẹ́ nǹkan lójúmọ́. Wọ́n wẹ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀mẹ́ta lọ́sẹ̀. Bọ̀dá láti. Everybody ṣà ń ṣe tiwọn. Àbí bọ̀dá láti jẹ́ pé wọ́n wẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀, wọ́n dẹ̀ ti wẹ̀ báyìí. Àbí wọ́n ní bọ̀dá láti òun wẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ o. Nǹkan mo sọ bẹ́ẹ̀, Boss and Ponder ló sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Wọ́n ní bọ̀dá láti òkè ń wẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀. Pé bọ̀dá láti ti máa ń wẹ̀ ńsìn bí ẹ̀mẹ́ta lọ́sẹ̀. Bọ̀dá láti tó bá ti pè wọ́n bọ̀dá láti orí wọn máa ń wú ni pé àṣemoṣì ní yìí báyìí. Wọ́n ní ayé bọ̀dá láti ti bàjẹ́ tẹ́lẹ̀ o. Wọ́n ní pé gbogbo justice for Mohbad ló jẹ́ kí bọ̀dá láti láṣọ méjì lọ́rùn. Wọ́n ní aṣọ kan ni bọ̀dá láti ní. Èmi kọ́ mo sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Èmi tó sọ bí tí mo ti gbọ́ o. Boss and Ponder ló sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Èmi kọ́ mo sọ o. Èmi mọ bọ̀dá láti rí o. So ẹ di pé àwọn ọmọ Ìbàràpá ọ̀dọ̀ bọ̀dá láti lọ wà. Àwọn ọmọ Ìbàràpá lọ́kúnbẹ̀. Àwọn ọmọ Ìbàràpá. Àwọn ọmọ Òkè Ọ̀hún. Àwọn ọmọ Ìkẹrẹ́ Èkìtì ọ̀dọ̀ bọ̀dá láti gbogbo wọn wà. Bọ̀dá láti. Àwọn tó jẹ́ pé wọn ti ẹ̀ mọ̀ túmọ̀ ọ̀dọ̀ bọ̀dá láti gbogbo wọn wà. Omi àwọn tó máa ya fọ́tò lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ògiri ọ̀dọ̀ bọ̀dá láti lọ wà. Wọ́n máa pariwo Wunmi wá lọ ṣe DNA àti tó lọ́kọ nílé tí ò fọkọ rí. Wunmi wá lọ ṣe DNA. Wunmi ò rí pé kò ní dáa fún ẹ. Àwọn wèrè àwọn ọ̀dọ̀ bọ̀dá láti gbogbo wọn wà. Àwọn ti bọ̀dá láti àwọn ọmọ Ìbàràpá tó wọ́n rí ọ̀fẹ́ wọn sínú ilé. Ọ̀dọ̀ wọn bọ̀dá láti ní gbogbo wọn wà. Wàhálà a máa ṣe kámẹ́rà náà, a máa ṣọ́ wọn jẹ ni. Ayé wọn bàjẹ́ bí wèrè. Ẹ mọ̀ kó bọ̀dá láti náà ń ṣe bí èèyàn. In fact, èmi kọ́ mo sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Wọ́n ní bọ̀dá láti pé wọ́n ń wẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀. Boss and Ponder ló sọ o. Wọ́n ní bọ̀dá láti òkè ń wẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ pé bọ̀dá láti ti ń wẹ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan lọ́sẹ̀, lẹ́ẹ̀mejì àbẹ́mẹ́ta lọ́sẹ̀ ńsìn. Pé bọ̀dá láti ti fẹ̀gẹ̀. Èmi kọ́ mo sọ o. Mo ti sọ bí tí mo ti gbọ́ o. So wọ́n tó bá fẹ́ wá fún mi lọ sọ́dọ̀ bọ̀dá Boss and Ponder o. Ibẹ̀ ni kò lọ o. Tó bá ti rí ń bẹ̀, don't come for me o. Èmi kọ́ o. Bọ̀dá láti ló sọ o. Àbí Boss and Ponder ló sọ pé bọ̀dá láti ti ń change aṣọ. Èmi ò mọ̀ ń pa ẹ̀, èmi ò mọ̀ bọ̀dá láti rí o. bọ̀dá láti Ọlọ́run sọ́nà ló sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Mi ò mọ̀ bọ̀dá láti rí o. Bọ̀dá láti wọ́n máa jókòó àwọn ará Ìbàràpá ló máa wà ń bẹ̀. Wọ́n bọ̀dá láti wọ́n máa porúkọ mi, wọ́n morúkọ mi gan pé ẹ máa gbọ́ Tálání àwọn ọmọ Ìbàràpá. Wọ́n máa wò pé ẹ̀wọ̀ ẹ fi mí lẹ̀ jàre. Àwọn ọmọ Ìbàràpá wọ́n kàn máa jókòó sí báwọn ọmọ orúkọ kan bọ̀dá láti wọ́n morúkọ yàn kọ́kọ́ pé. Àwọn ọmọ Ìbàràpá tó wà ń bẹ̀ wọ́n morúkọ anybody pé. Tí ò bá ti máa jẹ́ Àṣìṣì Kàbírá wọ́n mọ̀ yàn kọ́kọ́ pé. Kàbírá Tàfíkì tó bá ti máa jẹ́ Tàfíkì tó ti jẹ́ Kàbírá wọ́n mọ̀ orúkọ yàn kọ́kọ́ pé. Bọ̀dá láti wọ́n wá jókòó jọ ẹ máa wá ṣe I'm telling you kí ló dé gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí Jòsí tó lò against Wunmi ẹ lọ tọrọ forgiveness o. Nǹkan tẹ̀ sọ pé mo mọ̀ pé òun ló pọkọ ẹ̀ I cannot change my mind. Wunmi ló pọkọ ẹ̀ then why did you say that? Mo kọ̀ rò bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́kàn mi. Ṣé wọ́n ṣe lè ro nǹkan lọ́kàn ọmọ ọkàn tó lè máa sọ pé ọmọ yín ṣe nǹkan tó ṣe nìyẹn láì ní proof? Ṣé bí wọ́n ṣe lè sọ pé ọmọ yín ṣe nǹkan tí ó ṣe? Ṣé irú bí wèrè làwọn ọlọ́pàá yẹn ni? Ní Nàìjíríà wà láìtàláì Ọbásanjọ́ lè ṣẹ̀wọ̀n, kò sẹ́ni tó lè ṣẹ̀wọ̀n Nàìjíríà. Aláì ibi tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń bá lọ yìí ẹ máa ti Jòsí síbi tí ẹ fẹ́ ti sí. Lọ́ọ̀ tó wà Nàìjíríà ó pọ̀ bíi pure water. Tí o bá ní Nàìjíríà lára lọ́ọ̀ tí wọ́n ti implement ti pẹ́ wàá kọ̀ rí pé wọ́n máa use ẹ̀ fún ẹni gbá ẹ ló máa mọ̀ pé ó wà ń bẹ̀. Wọ́n á use ẹ̀ against ẹ̀. Ẹ wá sọ pé Jòsí kọ petition wọ́n ní kó má gbé petition wá mọ́ Josie, àwọn mélòó ní Josie competition. Ṣé Josie ti competition rí ni? Josie ò competition fún yàn kankan rí. Hello competition Darusha. Ṣé òun ló competition Darusha ni? Òun kọ́. Hello competition ta ni? Kí lẹ tún sọ pé ó sọ ná? Prime Boy. Ṣé òun ló competition àwọn Prime Boy ni? Àwọn ilé Deris ló competition kiri náà. Ṣé Josie competition rí? Josie competition fún ta ni? Bó ló fẹ́ gbé lọ? Ṣé mọ̀ pé òun fúnra rẹ̀ suspect ni tó competition? Ẹ wá ní kó lọ máa petition yẹn. Òun tó lọ sin ọmọ tí ò mọ̀ kú tó pa, òun ò ṣe suspect. Ó wá sọ pé wọ́n embalm yàn. Ṣé èyí tẹ́ ń tẹ̀lé Josie ti sick ni? Embalmment case, the embalmment case. Ṣé ẹ gbọ́ ní corona? Didn't you hear it at the corona? The last corona they said. No, not last corona. The corona tí wọ́n ti ka táwọn pathologists wá. They said Mohbad was never embalmed. It was written. I want to embalmment kiri. It was not, he was never embalmed. So, embalmment wo lẹ fẹ́ fi meyan kan mọ́lẹ̀. Nígbà tó níyàn wà embalmed. Ológbé yọ̀ sí lọ́wọ́. Wọ́n ti lé yín bẹ̀. Wọ́n ti lé yín dànù. Because àná èèyàn. Ológbé yọ̀ sí láyà. When you go to the station, what did they do to you, Mr. Loba? Wọ́n gbé iyọ̀ sínú abọ́. Wọ́n dẹ̀ gbé fún yín pé kẹ́ gbà dẹ̀ gbà dání. Ọlọ́pàá dẹ̀ ń bi pé ṣé ti embalm yín báyìí. Ẹni no. Kí wá lẹ ń pè mẹ́ embalmment. Ṣé embalmment ni kéèyàn gbé yọ̀ fún yàn? Ṣé mo isun yìí sí wọn lè gbé yọ̀ sí mi lára? Ó ti embalm mi nìyẹn. Ṣé gbádùn? Ṣé iyọ̀ wọn embalm yàn ni? Wọ́n wá ní kẹ́ tẹ́wọ́ yín báyìí. Wọ́n wá gbé iyọ̀ yẹn lé yín lọ́wọ́ ike iyọ̀. Ẹ bá gbé dání. Wọ́n dẹ̀ bí wọ́n ní ṣé wọ́n ti embalm yín ẹni no. Kí ló dé tẹ́ wá ń kígbe pé wọ́n embalm Mohbad? Ṣé Mohbad embalmment náà pè ẹ mọ̀ kan tó pè embalmment. So bí mo wá yìí mi lè lie down kí yàn gbé yọ̀ lé mi lára. Ó ti embalm mi náà nìyẹn. Wọ́n ní kẹ́ kó ṣì yín dànù. Wọ́n sì máa arrest yín for wasting police time. You're wasting their time. If you go there, they will arrest. They will. The other time you went for the Oba, they wanted to hold you there. Wallahi.